They started it. No.
Oh, it's starting? Okay.
Yeah, I can count.
Should I
say like this is Gab?
This is Gab! Whoa!
Gabbity gabbity gab gabbity gabbity. Oh yo.
Gab.
Gabbity 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 gabbity.
Give me a G!
You can make a
G!
Gabbity gabbity gab gabbity. Next time Allie's here, we definitely have to make that music video.
G!
Oh, we should see if we can sing the maybe.
La la la. Alright. Allie's not here today. Whoa!
So we're gonna throw a party!
Here, you know what? You guys can tell Allie hi on my video.
Okay.
Oh, like on FaceTime?
Gabbity 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 gabbity. Tell her what I said about the music video. I'll sing in the picture.
Oh.
Gabbity gabbity. Everybody go gabbity 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 gabbity. United States. Gabbity 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 gabbity. We should make a music video for me and my favorite sister. This would be cool because it's the last one.
You, with your words like knives and swords and weapons that you use against me, you.
Let me give you a tour of the room.
No good luck,
Good luck! Good luck.
Everyone needs to sit down. Whoa.
You still typing her? Gabbity, 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 gab.
Nope.
Sabrina.
We're gonna have a contest.
Here.
But I'm
finished.
Are we supposed to
Can I turn it over? You recorded that.
Okay.
Hey kid, you wanna try some?
Now would you really do that?
Okay, wait.
No, don't be funny here. I'll show it.
Hey kid, wanna try some?
Dude, that's really bad for you, and you're weird. Don't be around.
Hey, you wanna try some? You wanna try some?
Maybe you should learn your lesson right now or something.
Yeah, I'll take a couple.
Alright, good. Think about what you're gonna say.
Drink it. Drink it.
That's really bad for you. You shouldn't do that.
Okay.
Watch me. You'll make you strong like me.
Thank you. You don't.
Come on. You want you. Don't be a chicken.
You don't look strong.
Don't worry, I'm Dr. Oz. I'm Dr. Oz. Come on.
I said no. I said no. Leave me alone.
Drink this.
No, that's bad for you.
Drink it.
No, that's bad.
It means you're strong, so drink it.
No, that's bad for you. I don't want to get. That's not good for you. You weirdo. It's not good for you.
It's good. It'll make you strong and healthy.
Why do you think that your voice is all creepy?
Because I'm a hobo. These days.